horizontal packaging machines, and specializes in the production of flexible bag packaging equipment, suitable for food, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, and other industries. The horizontal packaging machine is suitable for packaging dry powders, granules, liquids, gels, etc. Packaging bag types include flat bags, self-supporting bags, zipper bags, special shape bags, self-supporting bags, flat bags with spouts, and self-supporting bags with spouts. 3/4 side sealing, packaging speed 40-160 ppm, pouch size 50 mm 80 mm, min, -180 mm 225 mm, max. For more details, please contact us to discuss.